and welcome. I'm back at Lowe's checking out the latest deals they have going for this Labor Day weekend, and they rolled out some more deals from what I showed you from the previous week with their Labor Day deals. So they have some that are just specifically for this weekend. I'm going to get started here in the lawn and garden section. They have a deal going on with the Ego 15-inch cordless string trimmer with power load. They do include a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger. They have great savings on this one. Price at only $169, saving $50 there. They do have another option as well from the Skill brand. It's a 40-volt 2-tool combo kit. So it has the string trimmer and blower for only $99, saving $120. What an awesome deal there. So these deals are 5 days only. It started on the 28th and are good until September 1st. So excellent time to pick up some of these yard tools if you're in the market for it. And I will have links down below in the description, as well as if you're on a desktop, they'll pop up on the video for you to be able to purchase them online. And you do have options online where you pick it up in the store or just have it shipped directly to you. Excellent deals right here to begin with. And then also a friendly reminder, this month I'm doing the $100 gift card giveaway, and to qualify you have to be publicly subscribed to the channel and then put in the comment below DIY Crasher Rocks. That way it makes you eligible to win. I will be doing the drawing on September 1st. Be going through this month's videos for anyone who commented on my videos, DIY Crasher Rocks, and it'll pick a winner. So good luck to you. And the winner will be able to select from Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight for their gift card winnings. And they're running an awesome deal on the Blackstone 36-inch griddle with a hood and front accessory tray. It is a 4-burner griddle. Blackstones are awesome. The only problem I have with them is being in Southwest Florida is that it tends to rust. I'm just not very good at keeping care of the surface itself, so I always have to recondition or reapply the seasoning. All right, so they have a deal on this one. Priced at only $3.99. That's saving $150 right there. Awesome deal, and it's also good until only the 1st as well, so be sure to check it out this weekend only. And they're running a deal on the Roundup weed and grass killer. It is the concentrate, so you mix your own batch there. They had that price at only $19.98, and it was almost $27 for that. That's good until September 3rd. Now is the time of year to pick up some patio furniture and outdoor items. They have the Collect Patio and Furniture outdoor clearance items. Some really great savings. You can also even check their website for more items available as well that they have on clearance and deep discounts online. And I'll put some links also to these items. But here's a clue right here. So a 5-piece bar height fire dining set. So they have one section here that's the Sedgwick high fired table itself is on clearance for only $256.02, and it was $569. And then they had the 4 high chairs to go with that for only $283, and it was $629. So some awesome savings right there. If I could find this link to this fire table, I'll put it below. But awesome time to pick up some patio furniture. And in my opinion, it's the only time to be able to save so much money on them. And then here's another example of a 5-piece high dining set. They don't have the chairs here on display, but the normal price is at $948 for the 5-piece set. It does include the chairs and then the table. But to give you an idea, they do have it priced separately. 4 chairs by themselves is priced at $305 right now, and it was $680. And then the high dining table is actually priced at $147, and it was $268. But at this store, it appears to be the last table they have in stock, so they actually have the table marked down at $67, and it was $268. What an awesome deal right there. And they even have a grill gazebo on clearance. It's a 8-foot by 5-foot in size. They have that on clearance at $109, and it was $199. They have a hardtop modular gazebo with accessories. It's 10-foot by 10-foot on clearance for only $494. It was almost $1,100. Awesome savings right there. So they all have them in different sizes as well. So here's another example. Well, this is another 10 by 10 hardtop gazebo. It has a different style roof to it than the one I just showed you. This is on clearance for only $674, and it was $1,500. Awesome deal. And if you're in need of some storage solutions, they have this 5-tier Commander shelving unit. It's made of like a hard plastic. The deal price is at $85, and it was $105. It's something you could store the yellow 27-gallon totes on. So that'd be an excellent pickup there. And they also are running a deal on the 27-gallon totes themselves. It's priced at only $8 and they were 10. But maybe you don't want the black totes. They have some clear ones by the same brand, Commander 27-gallon clear, priced at $14 and they were 17. They're running an awesome deal on the Spruce brand weed and grass killer. They say it's safe for use around people and pets, kills weeds and grasses, so don't use it on the lawn. They do have the deal where it's saving $10 off when you spend $40 or more, so it's an excellent pickup right there. That's good until September 17th to save that 10 bucks. Wow, and how about this deal right here? The Kobalt 40 volt push mower. It has a 6 amp hour battery, runs up to 50-minute runtime. It is priced now for only $199. Am I going crazy here? This is saving 150 bucks on that. Excellent deal. They are running it until September 3rd, so you do have limited time on that. Awesome time to pick up a Kobalt 40 volt one. This is a better deal than the one that they have for the 24 volt one that's priced at $279. So great savings there, save 150 bucks. So if you don't want to do the pushing, they do have a self-propelled bottle that is priced at $299 with the deal price, and it was $449. So again, saving 150 bucks. It's a good deal. But to save the extra $100, I'd be willing to do some pushing. And they did bring back a deal from the Ego 56 volt. It is the 1000 series self-propelled mower, priced at $899. So it's saving $100 there. It does come with a 10 amp hour battery. If you missed out the deals that they did over the summer where they're actually including an extra battery for that deal, that would have been a better one to pick up versus this one. So this is just another example that you should be subscribed to my channel. That way you're notified of these deal videos that I do on a weekly basis. I'm bringing them all to you. And they do have the Ego backpack blower with two 6 amp hour batteries on clearance right now. Price at $615. It was $769. And they do have this Ego blower 765 CFM with a 5 amp hour battery and charger, normally priced at $359. During Labor Day you can save 30 bucks, so it's only $329. And don't forget, they are doing big savings on appliances during this weekend. They have the limited time deal on this Frigidaire Gallery 6.2 cubic foot stone baked pizza slide-in electric range. That's interesting. Sounds like something I need to do more pizza. That is priced at $14.99. It's saving 700 bucks off the $2,200 price tag it normally has. But you can, during this weekend, save up to 40% off on select major appliances. You do have until September 10th for these deals. And then also up to an additional 20% off select major appliances where they're doing a buy more, save more program. And then you can save the different amounts off based on how many additional appliances you do buy. So it's pretty good deals right there to pick up some appliances. It also includes some free basic installation if you needed that. And they're still running that deal on that Husqvarna 765 CFM backpack blower. It is a gas powered one, 270 miles per hour that it's rated at. Priced at $329, saving 70 bucks. You do have until September 10th for that deal. But here they do have it as a clearance item as well, so maybe they're phasing it out. And they have this Craftsman 4-cycle 30cc 9-inch wheeled edger. So if you need a dedicated edger, they have this one on clearance for $237. Was $279. Now here's something I want to mention that I don't recommend getting is this iFlow system for the AC drain lines. It's designed to put this special liquid in the drain line itself and to prevent it from clogging up. They say it's supposed to dissolve basically that nasty Zuglia bacteria that forms in the AC lines and clogs it up and then makes your AC shuts down. Well, I've had this installed for over a year. I went through multiple bottles because each bottle only lasts 3 months. Well, this thing, I still have to vacuum out the drain line as well as it clogs up. So I think this is a waste of money. And it's priced at 100 bucks plus the refills are $25 for the 3 months and $45 for the 6 month. Not worth it in my opinion. All right, so this is the weekend to check out your local Lowe's where they're doing tool demos. This one here is, they have Bosch set up with different deals also, additional deals that they are doing this weekend while the Bosch wrap is in the store. Like for example, they have deals that was $1,284 Today it's $767. Also on some of these ones where you're buying a battery starter kit, whether it's the 8 amp hour one, then you have a select option of different free tools you can select from and save different amounts. But while the Bosch rep is here, some of them are offering an additional 4 amp hour battery for free. So maybe check your store, see if the rep is in, and then it'd be the time to pick up some Bosch tools. Excellent deals right here. And here's another example from Bosch. Is I showed this deal a few weeks ago, but to give you an idea, you buy this Bosch laser right here. It does have the plumb points as well. It was priced at $169. It's now $79. You're saving $90 on that. The current deal they're offering in stores and online is you buy this laser for $79, you get a free tripod. But here's the caveat, is that the store might be actually out of the tripods. So maybe check out this deal online. I will have a link in the description for it, and you can pick it up online and then not worry if it's out of stock or not. But it's an excellent deal, excellent time to pick up an awesome Bosch laser and then get that free tripod as well. All right, so here we are still in Kobalt days that they're offering deals on the drill driver that's 24 volt with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. Well, the deal price is at $99, but during this weekend they actually have it priced at $79, so saving additional $20 there. And the same thing goes for the impact driver. So it was $99 as their deal price, already saving $50 there. But this weekend, you can get it for $79. Awesome time to pick up the Kobalt drill and impact driver. And they're doing the same deal with the 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries as well, saving $50. That's one thing to take note, is these stores don't have all the deals on display for this weekend. Just like their signage only mentions that it's $99, and then it's $129 for the 2 4 amp hour batteries. So they don't have the deals readily displayed on all items. So be sure to pick up a flyer when you enter the store. That way you know what the deal pricing is on the different tools. And they're running more deals on the Kobalt system right now. For example, they have the deal on this Kobalt half-inch mid-torque impact wrench. You can save $100. It's only $129. It was $229. That is good until September 3rd. And it is the kit where it includes a battery and charger and a bag as well. Also $129 is you can get the 2 tool combo kit with a drill and impact driver and a battery, charger, and a bag for $129 as well. So if you're going to go for these tools, better off going for the 2 tool combo kit right there. And this is the other Kobalt deal they're currently running. It runs past the Labor Day time. It actually goes until October 15th. It's when you buy one of these select tools, then you can get the free battery starter kit, which is a $69 value. It does come with a 2 amp hour battery though. And they have a similar deal going on with the DeWalt, same as the Kobalt, except it's not a starter kit. It's an actual 5 amp hour battery you can get for free, which is a $169 value. That's when you buy one of these select DeWalt 20 volt tools. They also have that listed in their flyer as well. Same pricing though, but this deal does run until October 22nd, so you do have time on that deal. I just want to make you aware of it. It is in the flyer, but it's no additional savings on them right now, but it is a good deal to get the 5 amp hour battery for free. And they do have a deal priced on this Craftsman 7 amp 3-inch by 21-inch belt sander, priced now at only $69, and it was $89. I am keeping an eye on this DeWalt 40-piece screw bit as well as socket set. So it has an assortment of different screw bits, a couple different impact sockets, as well as longer screw bits and nut drivers. Clearance price is $21. It was $30, but I did hear from some friends of the channel that they said that they saw this kit in their store for like $6, so that would have been an excellent time to pick those up, stock up on some bits. And they are running a deal on the Metabo HPT, whether you buy one of these nail guns, so for example the 18 volt roofing nailer for $429, or the new 21 degree 18 volt framing nailer for $439. Then you can get a free 18/36 volt battery. That's a $139 value that you get for free when you're buying one of these 2 guns. Pretty good deal right there. If your store offers Carhartt clothing, they are running a deal on the non-denim bottoms. So they're 20% off is what you can save on the non-denim bottoms. It is good until September 7th. So excellent time to pick up some Carhartts. You hardly ever see Carhartt go on sale. And to give you an idea on some pricing, so they have one here for $49.99, so you save 20% off of that, so $10. Pretty good deal. So that's what these are priced at. There's others that are priced also at $69.99. So depending on which style it is that you select, obviously. But pretty good savings there, 20% off. And also, while you're at the store, check out the clearance deals they have on the Carhartt women's clothing. So for example, they have the Relaxed Fit Forge Sun Defender long sleeve shirts on clearance for only $17.52, and they were $35. So some pretty decent deals there on the women's Carhartt, which of course they don't have the clearance on the men's. Go figure. And they do have a couple different deal pricing on the Klein Modbox system. So for example, they have a lower price on the Modbox cooler, priced at only $50 and it was $80, so saving $30 there. Then they have the Modbox hybrid box, deal price at $50 and it was $70, so saving $20 on that. And they're running a deal on the Craftsman 52-inch 10-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet, as well as the 8-drawer tool chest that sits on top of it. The combination price for these two is actually priced at $798. So you're saving $160 on that. It's a pretty decent deal right there. And this does include like the built-in metal pegboard in the back, so you store additional tools, as well as the power strip with 2 USB ports. And obviously has the locking lid that can close and secure your tools. So it might be a good pickup there. They do have it available both red and black for those deals. So maybe check it out. I'll also put a link to it online, and maybe you can save the trip and have it delivered right to you. So here's the flyer with the different deals they have. Since I didn't cover everything, they do have some good deals on those other tools from Kobalt, like the blower, inflator, as well as a Bluetooth speaker, $49 each for those. And then you also get a 297-piece mechanics tool set for $99. You can also save $5 on the different lawn tools that they also offer from Kobalt. So some pretty decent deals there. And then DeWalt they have for $39 is a 100-piece impact driver bit set. That's saving $5. They also have deals on the drill bits and the screw bits, as well as impact sockets. So be sure to check it out. They also have it where you can save $45 on the Ring video doorbell, so it's only $55 there. And also saving $60 on the Ring floodlight. So pretty decent savings there on those items. All right, that's going to conclude this tool deal video here for Labor Day weekend. Hope you all have a great weekend ahead. And if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos that I do. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.